Yeah, good evening to Gagan Sai.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, today is the 7th class mathematics and chapter number is the second and fractions, decimals and rational numbers. Yeah, today but there is a no blackboard. Why? Because there no light on that.
Okay.
Here it is. So that's why I are explaining on all problems. Today class I take in our on the notebook only. Okay. Yeah, first of all today our chapter number 2 you know already know, and next year new method. Today we learn the new method 2.4, multiplication of decimals numbers. Yeah, okay, listen neatly. Our page number is the 46. Yeah, today I continue that only. Gagan say neatly listen on the what's notebook. No blackboard only. Yeah, see, listen better one by one. Yeah, first one is the new method, multiplication of the decimal numbers. This is the multiplication and division. See, or both are there in the new features are there in our 7th class only. Yeah, examples. For examples are 0.1 cross of 0.1. Both are that product. Okay, na?
Okay.
Both are the product only. And next is the multiply of that 0.1 equal to the cross of 0.1. Here it is the from figure 1 you are can observing there textbook Gagan say neatly.
Okay.
Observing figure. Here it is the 1 point. Here 10 parts there.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 by 10 part. And here it is the figure 2 is also. Here another figure 1 and that is also 1 by 10. Okay. 0.1 cross of 0.1 equal to 1 by 10. Remove that decimal point. So that's why is a 1 by 10 and half of and 1 by 10. Half means is the cross multiplication. So that's why is a 1 by 10 cross of the multiplication of 1 by 10. So that's why is the product of the numerators by product of the denominator. So that's why is 1 by 100. Okay. 1 by 100 means is the here it is that 100 as the, since 100 as the 2 zeros only. So that's why are by producting that what's are here in the product of the two numbers Gagan say. Yeah, 1 digits and here it is the 1 digits only. So that's why total digits, how many digits are that decimal point? 1. 0.1 is the 1 digit of that right of the decimal point.
0.1
and here it is also 1 digit to the right of the decimal point. So that's why the total is the 2 digits. 2 digits to the right of the decimal points.
Okay.
So that's why here it is also since 2 zeros, since 100 as the 2 zeros. So that's why I put the point in the product. In the product by counting the 2 places. Move the right side of that right to left. By counting the digits, you can right to left in that put the point, put the decimal point. Okay, na in this product put the decimal point by counting the 2 places.
Okay.
Why? Because since is 100 is the 2 zeros only. So that's why you can 2 places right to left. Put it the decimal point. You can understand Gagan say neatly. Yeah, here it is also this. Here it is from figure 1 and figure 1 is also diagram. Here it is also 1 by 10 and one more is the 1 by 10. So that's why is a 1 by 10, 1 by 10.
Okay.
See, textbook is also there Gagan say neatly, and another examples here it is also there, and you can see that neatly. Textbook you can is also observing there Gagan say.
Yes.
Yeah, next is the another examples. Yeah, 0.4 and cross multiplication of the 0.2. Remove that decimal point. 4 by 10 half of 2 by 10. Both are the same of here it is also the fractional part. You can write down here it is the decimal part. If you say write it in the fractional part. Half it means is the 4 by 10 cross of that 2 by 10. Both are the same only. So that's why is the product of that numerators by product of the denominators. 4 cross 2, 8. By in the fractional form say you can write here it is. Gagan say look at the notebook Gagan say neatly. Yeah, 8 by 100.
Okay.
100. Why? Because here it is also same. Here 2 yes, 100 is the 100 has the 2 zeros. So that's why you can here it is also product. In this product if it's how many digits are decimal point, one digit and another digit. Okay, total is the how many total number of the digits to the right to the decimal point, 2 only, 1 and 2. So that's why you can here it is also in this product decimal point, put the decimal point 2 digits. Okay, by counting the 2 places, right to left, put the point in that right to left. So that's why 0 0 8 1 2, after point put the point. Okay, since why, because you can 100 as the 2 zeros only. So that's why they are moves from right to left, put it 2 zeros. Why, because since 100 has the 2 zeros only. By counting here it is also same another examples of here it is also textbook there you can say little 2 by 10. Here this is figure is the 2 by 10 and here it is also 4 by 10, this like. Okay na, figure 2 is the 4 by 10. Here both of their product of the two or both fractions, we will get the answers, we will get in our this like only. Okay, yeah, put it the decimal points you can counting right to left.
Okay.
And another examples 3 by 10 off of 2 by 10. Another lead books also today, supplementary books or both books are today we will learn. Here it is another examples. Here it is also our lead book 3 by 10 off of 2 by 10 in the fractional in the fractional form you can write. Here it is and 3 by 10 multiplication of 2 by 10. So product of the numerators by product of the denominator, 3 cross 6. 3 cross 2 means is the 6 by 100. Okay, this is also same. Why, because this is also product here in this product if it's a decimal how many 2 decimals. Okay na, 2 digits to the right to the decimal points. Okay na, yeah. So that's why since why, because here since here it is that 200 is the 2 zeros only. So that's why directly you can write here it is and this like only answer. And next is the another examples. Yeah, in this product here how many digits there in our decimal points you can say neatly. How many digits? Here it is the 1 digits and here it is also in that second product is the 2 digits. Total is the 3 digits only. Here, so that's why you can your fractional form you can write. Here it is 5 by 10 off of 5 by 100. So product of that two both fractions 5 by 10 cross of 5 by 100. So that's why the numerator product of the numerators by product of the denominators. 5 cross 5 25. 25 by denominators 10 cross 100 is the 1000. Okay, since is 1000 has the 3 zeros. So that's why in this product slow is also total decimal point right that left also 3 digits. Okay na, 1 and 2 and 3 this product slow. So that's why I put the point in that 3 digits 0.025 right to left. By counting the places put the point decimal point where it is the point here decimal point 3 digits after 3 digits only 3 places 3 digits 1 2 3 put it here point. Why, because you can here it is the 100 as the 3 digits. In this product below you have 3 digits there 1 digits and 2 and 3. So total digits is the 3 only. So that's why you can very carefully you can put it in the decimal points is a very important.
Okay.
And if it's a very important, you are not it is a wrong only. If it's a after two put the point it's a wrong only. Why, because here it is the 3 digits in this product lo. How many total digits that one ante or decimal point ante it 3 digits only. So that's why compulsory put it in the after right to left put it in the decimal point. Okay, by counting the 3 places are 3 digits put it in the decimal point only. Okay, you can understand neatly. Yeah, decimal point in this product by counting the 3 places. from right to left. You can understand where it put the decimal point. You can understand each product you can observe it neatly.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's goes to the next one only. Multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and thousands. Yeah, examples. 2.35. Your page number is also there, and next page, and page number is the 48. Okay. Yeah, examples. 2.35 cross of 10. 2.35 cross 10. Yeah, this is also our first one. Remove that decimal point. So that's why you can what's that first product law? If it's how many digits are there after decimal point? 1 and 2. So that's why you can remove it if it's 100. Okay. Next is the cross 10. Yes, you can write 0, 0 cancel. So that's why it's 235 by 10 only. Okay. Yeah, in this product law, what's our how many digits are there in that? Total is the 2 digits only. Here it is the already there only. So that's why 23.5. Why? Because you got 10 as the 1 0 only. So that's why I put the point by counting the digits. 1 digits put it only. Why? Because 10 has the 1 0 only. So that's why I put it in only 1 digits only. You can understood Gagan sir neatly. Okay, are you understood this one? And next here it is also another one. 2.35 cross of 100. So that's why I remove that decimal point. Remove it if it's 2 digits only. So that's why you can 100 only. In the fractional form you can write it that 235 by 100 cross of 100. So that's why 100 cancel. So that's why you can 235 only. Okay. Next is the 2.35 cross of 1000 only. So remove it. Remove the decimal point. You can put it the same only. Why? Because you can after decimal points how many digits are there? 2 digits only. So that's why you can 235 by 100. Yeah, cross of 1000. Okay. 200 cancel. And how many zeros are left? Here it is the only 1. So that's why 235 cross 10. 235 cross 10 means is a through 2350 only. Okay. But there is no decimal points. You can directly. Okay. You can understood of this like this one examples. You can understood the say multiplication of the decimal numbers. This is the decimal numbers. Decimal numbers by 10. Decimal numbers by 100. Decimal numbers by 1000. You can also you can multiplication. You can understood the say neatly. All are the multiplication you can understood. Yeah, so it goes to that another book is also examples, and you have 1.39 10. Okay, Gagan say neatly. Yeah, move the decimal point 1 place to the right. 1 place to the right side only. This like arrow you can observing that neatly the Gagan say. Why? Because 10, since 10 has the 1 0 only. You can understand it directly. You can write it here. It is just like Sam. Very easily method is also very good method only, and it is the simplest method only. Why? Because there says 10 has the zeros only, and I can move that decimal point 1 place to the right side. Multiplication is the right side only. Next is the 100. Multiplication of decimal number cross of multiplication of 100. Yeah, here it is that decimal number 2 digits only. Yeah, move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Okay, here it is the 1 place and here it is the 1 place. Why? Because since 100 has the 2 zeros. You can understand. 1.39 cross multiplication of 100. Yeah, move to the decimal points. You can move the decimal point 2 places to the right side only. Why? Because since 100 has the 2 zeros. So that's why you can write here it is Gagan sign neatly you can observe in. 139, but there is a no there only. Why? Because you can already zeros. And next one, 1.390 cross of thousands. Thousands means here it is the, move the decimal point 3 places to the right. Move the decimal points 3 places to the right side only. Why? Because 1000 has the 3 zeros. Okay, you can understand Gagan say. So that's why you can write it out, write it in this like only. 3 zeros, 11390. Otherwise other methods is also there, same above method is also same. Remove the decimal point by how many digits here it is, and two digits. So remove the 2 digits means is in the write it in the fractional part, and you can write down in the same above method only. You got 0 0 cancel and 139 by 10. So that's why 130.9 only. You can understand the other side neatly. Why? Because 10 has the 0 only, 0. 10 since 10 has a single 0, so that's why I put it in the only single digits. Put the decimal point right to left, put it to only one single point. Why? Because since 10 has the 0 only. Okay, 0 only, 1 only. All are that same only. 2 methods you can understood Gagan say neatly. This is 100 and here it is also 100. So that's why the 100 cancel. So that's why is the 139. And next one is the another one, 139.0 by thousands. 0 0 cancel. And remove the decimal point. You can here fractional part you can write here it is, and 139 by 100. Okay, Gagan sai neatly understood. 0 0 cancel. So that's why here is this like one. You can understood Gagan sai neatly. Okay. Okay, this like one you can understood of this one. And next is the another one, you can 4.01 and cross up the, and this is both product. What's the decimal multiplication of the both product of that decimal numbers? Here it is the 4.1. If it's a correct or wrong, tell me the answer Gagan say. Here it is the first product is the 2 digits only. Here it is the only, the second product is the 1 digits. Total is the how many digits are there? 3 digits. But here it is the only 1 digits only. Okay, decimal points how many digits are put it here? It is answer only 1 digit. So it is the wrong answer. You can answer correctly. If it's both 2 products in this product slow, if it's answer is also here can write here it is. If it's correct or wrong, if it's both here it is the 4 here it is the 4 problems there. Answers is also you can write here it is. Only check in our decimal point. You can check if it's correct or wrong. If it's a second example, so 0.2 cross multiplication of 5.1 in this product law. If it's how many digits are there in your decimal point? Okay, after decimal point is a 1 digits, and here it is also 1. Both are the total is the 2 digits only. Okay, but here it is the answer only after decimal points how many digits are there? Only 1 digits only. But there here it is also in our question, in our given question, given problem law, how many digits are there? This product law 2 digits only. Here it is the only 1 digits after decimal points of only 1 digits. So this is also wrong. Okay. Next here it is another examples. 4.01 and 0.1 both products. In this product law, if it's answer you can write how many digits are there, first product and second product. Total is the here it is that after decimal point there are 2 digits, and here it is also 1 digits. Total is the 3 digits. But here it is that answer after decimal points there are 3 digits only. If it's correct or right, wrong.
Wrong.
Correct only. Why? Because here it is also 3 digits. In the given problem is also here only after decimal points. How many digits are there? 2 plus 1, 3. Here it is also after digits. Answer is also same only. So that's why it's a correct or correct only. Next examples. All are problems. If we check if it's a correct or wrong. Here it is also 0.2 across a 5.1. Here both products. In this products law, if it's a counting of the after decimal points of the digits. For the first product is the 1 and second product is the 1. Total is the 2 digits. But the answer is the after decimal points how many digits are there? 2 digits. So that's why it's a correct or wrong? Correct. If it's a neatly you can observing the say. Words if it's a decimal points you can correct or wrong and you can check out it on. You can understood? Yeah, next method. You can multiplication of that all of the decimal points by 10, 100 and thousands. You can understood you can say how the product of the multiplication of the two numbers. Next method is the multiplication of the decimal numbers is over. Next method is the division of decimal numbers. Division of the decimal numbers. Yeah, examples is the division is the inverse of the multiplication. You can already know that one, inverse of the multiplication only. So the examples is the 9 point both decimal numbers, division by the both decimal numbers, 9.6 by 1.6. We'll get the answers is the both are the decimals only. 9.6 by 1.6 means is the 16 1 is 16. This is also 9.6 by 10 and 10 by 16. So that's why 10 cancel, 19 6, 16 1 is 16, 16 6 the 96. So that's why is also 6 only answer. Okay, this is the both are the division of the decimal numbers. And next is the another new method 2.42a division of numbers. Division by numbers like 10, 100, thousands. Okay, examples 31.5 division by 10. Next 31 by 5 by 10. Remove the decimal point. We write it in the fractional. So that's why you can write the division is it becomes to multiplication. Yeah, 10 cancel. So that's why is the 3 1 5. Okay. Next is one is also second example. So you can observe it neatly Gagan side. Here it is after decimals the only one single digit. So that's why you can write it remove the decimal points. You can write it in the 10 only. Division it becomes to multiplication. So that's why 2. 10 by 1. 1 means is that here it is the 10 by 1. So inverse of this like only 3 1 by 10 cross 1 by 10. Why? Because inverse of that multiplication only and reciprocal of that 10 by 1. So that's why is the 1 by 10. So that's why is the 3 1 by 100. Okay. Here it is the put that after decimal points is the 2 digits only. Why? Because since 100 has the 2 digits only. Okay, Gagan, I neatly understood. Next is the 84 by 10 by 2 by 1. So that's why is the 84 by 10. Inverse of the 2. Inverse of the 2 means is 2 by 1 is the reciprocal. Inverse means is the reciprocal. So that's why icon is the 1 by 2. 84 by 20. Okay, Gagan, I neatly understood. Yeah. Next here it is also another examples and 1.5. Remove it decimal points. Here it is the 115 by 10. Division it becomes to the multiplication. So that's why as it is you can write one more step is also 10 by 1. So that's why is a 15 by 10 is a 10 by 1 means is a reciprocal of that is a 1 by 10. So that's why is a 15 by 100. You can understand Gagan neatly. So put the point in here, it is after decimal point 2 only. So that's why you can 0.15. Okay, Gagan say neatly. Yeah, next one here it is also another 15 by 10. Here it is also divisible by 100 by 1. Okay, yeah, reciprocal of the 100 by 1 means is the 1 by 100. So that's why is a 15 by 10 equal to the 1 by 100. So this is a 15 by 10 cross 100 means is the 1000. So as after put the point after decimal point 3 zeros only, because 1000 has the 3 zeros only. So that's why 0, 1, 5. What's the answer here? It is this like answer, this like only. Okay, yeah, next is the another one only. 115 by 10 divisible by 1000 by 1 only. So that's why you can reciprocal of that 1000 by 1 means is the 1 by 1000. Okay, yeah, 15 by 10,000 only. Here means how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. So put the point here, it is the 4 zeros only. 0, here it is the 1, 5 and 1 more 0 here it is also there. Okay, you can understand Gagan neatly. Where you put the decimal point, you can understand neatly.
Yes.